But the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I haven't posted anything before, but I will be showing you how to how to get a free display name on a phone. And this is a free display name. It doesn't cost for any money or apps. First, you want to go to your Play Store. Then you have to spell in Turbo VPN. Then I already downloaded mine, but I'm just going to install it for you guys. So what you're going to do is you're just going to install the app, and I'll show you these steps. These steps are really easy. And probably it gets your account deleted, but sometimes it doesn't, because I had a friend use a display name and she didn't get banned. So yeah. So now you want to once download, you want to just open the game, then press X, press the tap to connecting key. Then it's going to load. Here you see it's going to connect. Then press OK. Then wait for it to load, because
if I give you gum, it better stay in your mouth.
This is
Yes!
So what you do is you gotta go to your flag. You want to select Germany. Then now wait for it to connect so you can have a display name. It should pop up this thing should pop up on your notification thing. Yeah, it should pop up like that little banana. Split it out now. But it's going to float.
If I give you gum, it better stay in your mouth.
Kinda annoying.
Yes!
So then you wanna go to Roblox. Go back to Roblox. Then you wanna go to your go to your settings. And go to your account info. Then your display name is going to pop up. And then look, your display name is here. So I hope this helped out. Guys. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll make some more tutorials for you guys. So, and enjoy and have a nice day. Bye.